What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Organic Interiors, where we talk all about luxury interior design and sustainable living. My name is Katie OLDJA, the founder of Organic Interiors, and I'm also an interior designer. Now today, I wanted to talk to you guys about some of my favorite flooring products that are both luxury, they're beautiful, they're eco-friendly, but they're also safe and non-toxic for your family. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Number one is bamboo. Bamboo is so beautiful, it's natural, it's eco-friendly, and it's very sustainable. Now, a lot of people think that bamboo is a tree, but it's actually a member of the grass family. So unlike trees that take decades to mature, bamboo is actually fully mature within 3 to 5 years. However, just like wood flooring, it's installed really similarly and it looks just like hardwood floors. But just like wood, there are levels of sustainability. So even though bamboo is, super quick growing, you got to make sure that you're sourcing your bamboo from an area that isn't destroying the local habitat or destroying, animal homes and things like that. So make sure you check out the Forest Stewardship Council, and don't worry about remembering that. I'm going to link it below, but they have a bunch of information about where to source bamboo from that is eco-friendly, sustainably sourced, but also bamboo flooring that isn't using sealers that have volatile organic compounds or formaldehyde-based glues and things like that. Now, while we're on the topic of hardwood floors, another really great option for sustainability and just beautiful flooring is engineered hardwood. Engineered hardwood is basically as real as wood floors can get, except they're more sustainable. Trees used for this core grow a lot faster and it keeps the cost low, and it's also easier to install and cheaper to install for the exact same reason. Now, another option for hardwood, if you just really want that hardwood flooring, is to go with reclaimed hardwood. Now, reclaimed hardwood is recycled hardwood that's been reused from older buildings or from other projects. It's still beautiful. You actually get kind of an antique to vintage look on it, and it's just absolutely stunning. If reclaimed hardwood isn't available for you, another option is to actually go with new flooring with softwoods like pine and oak. These are more sustainable than their hardwood counterparts because they are hardy, they're resilient, and they're super fast growing. Plus, you get all the health benefits of having natural wood flooring. Not only is it more cost efficient up front, it's actually easier to refinish. So that means you're gonna have to replace those hardwood floors a lot less often. Now, like I said with bamboo, there are levels of sustainability, and there are also levels of eco-friendliness with the sealants that you use on top of your floor. So I just want to reiterate, make sure you do your research. Again, I'm linking products in the bottom. I don't get paid for them. I just use them in my design business. But that's going to help you keep it not only eco-friendly, but safe for your pets, safe for your family, things like that. Now, moving away from hardwood or softwood flooring, there's actually tons of beautiful options that aren't wood at all. Number one is concrete floors. So if you've ever seen industrial buildings like apartments or industrial homes, you probably have noticed there's a lot of concrete floors. Concrete flooring is so easy to find because it's basically made out of clay, sand, and a binding agent. So super easy to make, super easy to source, completely eco-friendly, and also it doesn't leak anything into the air that's dangerous for you or your family. Plus, concrete is stainable and you can even imprint patterns, so there's a lot of different options that you can do with concrete. Another beautiful option is to use natural stone. Things like marble, slate, granite, limestone, even soapstone. They're all really gorgeous and they're high end. Now, there are some definitely different things that you need to do to take care of that flooring, and if you're not into the upkeep, maybe don't go with natural flooring, go with something like porcelain, but they're really beautiful, especially in high-end homes, and they're completely eco-friendly as well. In fact, we actually paired limestone flooring with marble walls in a recent contemporary bathroom remodel that we did. And if you want to see that, I'll link that here as well. Now, if you don't want the upkeep of natural stone floors, which is understandable, porcelain tile or ceramic tile is a really great option. So porcelain and ceramic tile is actually the flooring choice of our ancestors, and for very good reason. It's very easy to make, it's very cheap, it's easily installed, and it's 100% sustainable. There's no toxins, there's no VOCs, no nothing. It's just made out of clay, glaze, and then a little fire. Tile is also a really great conductor of heat, which means that it can lower your energy cost throughout the year as well, especially in hot climates. Another flooring option that's kind of out there and a lot of people don't know about is actually cork. So cork is very soft and cushiony, and it actually is a little bit reminiscent of wood. Cork does actually grow on trees, so there's kind of where it gets its wood look from, but it's only taken from the bark of cork trees, which means it's very sustainable. You're not killing trees in the process, and it works really, really well for cushioning floors. Not only is it able to be harvested from the same tree for up to 250 years, but they can also make the flooring from recycled wine corks. Again, just like all of the woods and glued together things on this list, make sure you're not getting formaldehyde-based glues, and make sure your sealers are eco-friendly. Now, another wood flooring-like option that actually has been getting a bad rap for not a good reason is linoleum flooring. Okay, I know you're probably thinking of the horrible 80s linoleum flooring, but it's coming back, and it's coming back big, because linoleum flooring is actually only made out of certain types of resins like pine and wood, and so it's actually 100% sustainable and 100% eco-friendly. It's also entirely compostable, so even if you abandon your home, it would turn back into nature over the course of several years. So this is actually one of the most eco-friendly choices for your flooring, and it's also safe for your family as well. Now, if you're thinking of going carpet and want to avoid, the hard flooring altogether, there is an option for carpet that would work really well. It's actually wool carpet. Carpet as a whole is not really the best choice for sustainability or for health because it's made with tons of chemicals that leak into the air, soak into your feet when you're walking on it, and lots of other problems. Not only that, but it traps allergens, dirt, microbes, pests, all sorts of gross things like that. However, if you're really into the soft, cushy flooring, wool carpet is where you want to go. It's naturally fire resistant. It's of course sustainable. I mean, it grows on sheep, and it also is naturally stain resistant. So while I do encourage you to keep making sure you're cleaning your carpet and don't walk on it with shoes from outside, which is a whole nother topic we could talk about, wool carpet will be better in the long run than traditionally made carpet. So guys, these are my favorite options for healthy and sustainable flooring. But I also want to just let you guys know, don't just think about what you're installing, think about how you're installing it. For wood-like flooring, you can use floating or click-lock flooring rather than glue. That's going to cut down on the VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, that leak from that flooring and sealant into the air. But you could also choose a glue down that is GREENGUARD certified. Again, I just reiterate, I'm linking it down below so you don't have to remember all these names. But GREENGUARD certified basically just means that it's not leaking formaldehyde or VOCs or all those toxic things that cause loads of health problems in people into your air. And one final note, you may have noticed there's a few options that are technically sustainable that we did not include in our list here. And that's actually because they cause health problems for people. So while they may be recycled plastic or other things like that, like vinyl flooring, they're actually made in a way that leaks toxins into the air. It degrades poorly and causes a whole lot of health problems. Now, I'm not going to get into that in this video because this video is really about the ones that you should put in your home, but make sure that you subscribe because we are going to be talking about different health effects of, vinyl flooring and different things like that. Also, if you'd prefer to read these rather than watching a video, we do have a blog. So everything that we're posting on YouTube, we are also posting in blog format, and I will also link that below. Okay, guys, I would love to hear your thoughts on what your favorite sustainable and healthy flooring options are. Post them in the comments below. And once again, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all of our updates about sustainability, eco-friendly building materials, and of course, luxury design tips. I'll see you guys next time.